So how fast can you really shave your head? So we live in these times where we want everything now. We're always on the go. And we don't always have the time to stop and actually do a shave. And I mean a good shave. But does it have to take you forever to also get a really good shave? Maybe you woke up late for work, or you're in a hurry and you just don't have that 5 minutes that you need to shave. So how fast can you really get it done? Let's say this right away. If you need a head shave in a hurry, you need to ditch the electric shaver. There's just no competition. The amount of time and multiple passes it takes with an electric shaver, an actual razor blade is gonna get you there much faster and for a smoother head shave. So how long does it really take you to shave your head? I mean, where are the comparisons? I don't think this has really been studied all that much. Some Google searches gave me that much information. But where do we begin? Let's begin with what takes the most time while we're shaving. This is where we need to go to work in order to speed up the process. We need to find the area that's taking the most amount of time and bring it down. And let's be honest, rinsing your blade after every single short stroke is what's eating up the most of the time. So let's do that a little less. I set out with this challenge to myself. Can I get a perfectly smooth shaved head in 60 seconds or less? Am I able to do it? Let's find out. So how we're gonna achieve this is, sadly, anyone who's an electric head shaver, you're probably SOL. Electric shavers just take too many passes, it's not as smooth, and it's not as quick. Sorry. Now, what we can do is go with an actual razor blade. Notice I said razor blade. I should have said plural razor blades. You need a razor that has at least 4 blades. Actually, I would be going with 5. So this would be either Harry's or Dollar Shave Club. If you want to spend way too much money, if you absolutely insist on spending too much money, then you can go with Gillette. I would also like to say that I'm not saying that you should attempt to shave your head this fast. I just want to show you if it's possible. Because I've been shaving my head for a long time, so I am very confident in my ability. I need to do this as quickly as possible, as safely as possible, and for the best smooth shave. I don't want to be missing anything. I don't want any straggling hairs, especially even around the ears, and also the neckline. I am not going to be worrying about the front part of my neck, just the back. Okay, so a couple things I want to point out right away is I'm not technically starting the timing of shaving my head until the blade actually hits my head. So I'm showing you me lathering up and everything, so don't think I'm counting that towards the shaving time. Maybe it should be, but I'm solely counting blade to head. And when I started off with this, I realized something that I probably should have in the beginning, and that is the type of product that you're shaving with is going to play into this. It's going to factor in, because I would recommend a gel if you're in a hurry, because gel tends to rinse out of the blade a little easier than, say, shaving cream would, or anything that has like a thicker lather to it. Now, is that going to save a ton of time? Probably not, but it's a little easier to shave because you can rinse it out a lot easier. That's why I'm you'll see me start to kind of bang on it a little bit in the sink. This allows me to get all the lather out and all the hair out. Now, what I will say is, as I was doing this, as you can see, I'm going pretty quickly. This is a lot of real estate to shave. Now, when we shave this much real estate, it just takes a little bit of time. So, what was that time? Just over 90 seconds. I think that's pretty quick. Could I shave it down to 60 seconds? Probably. That's if I didn't go back over. I like to do that for a smooth shave. I would also like to point out that I would recommend, as I always do on this channel, if you've watched any of my other videos, is to do this in the shower, because this will tend to make a little bit of a mess because you're flinging the blade around really quick trying to get the passes through. Something to consider. Everyone, if you're gonna do this, I would really recommend putting on some type of post-shave balm. I would not recommend doing this too often. You're gonna run in the risk of nicking yourself. I just wouldn't do this on a regular basis. Plus, all these extra strokes without rinsing out the blade, you're gonna have hair in there, you're gonna have skin cells in there. You also run the risk of getting some ingrown hairs. I just don't recommend doing this with any kind of regularity. So is it possible to get a perfect shaved head in under 60 seconds? The answer is no.